Today we're going to be reviewing these nasal strips. They come well packaged. There are 30 strips in the box. They come extra wide. And the cool thing about these are the material they use actually is TPU, which is a very flexible material. The box says that it temporarily reduces or relieves your snoring and make breathing smoother. We're going to remove the backing, attach it to the nose, and then you're going to peel this side off, and then another on this side. And then you're going to want to pull and attach it to your nostrils, like that. So while you have it on, it's supposed to increase your airflow, and I'm going to test it out by running up the stairs. I can definitely breathe better. So taking it off is also easy. Pain-free because of the fabric woven material, and it doesn't leave any residue or sticky things in your nose. Overall, if you're looking for nasal strips, I recommend this product.